Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to HVI. Today is a VIR Club member special kind of day where you can just be on track. It's a lot of test and tune and just having a really good time. Tomorrow and Sunday are the official chin track days, so that's going to be a little bit busier. We're going to have a few more people joining us from North Carolina, so I'm really excited about that. And just to see these guys get on track at Road Atlanta. Today, the MPO1 Evo and then the black Z06. Those are the only two cars that are going to be running right now. So the only cars that are going to be running today are the MPO1 and then the black Z06. Tomorrow, the Nuremberg Z06 Corvette, that'll be running. So that'll be really cool to see and hear. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a walk around the paddock. I'll show you guys. If you've never been to Road Atlanta, it's a really fast track. I really like it. I've come to immediately love this thing. There's some pretty cool cars out here, a lot of P cars. Look at the black 992 GT3. I love you. You can kind of see the SLR. Such a sick car. Seeing one as like a GT car, I've never seen one. These guys are actually getting ready to race in the historical Daytona 24 hours, so good luck to them. A special dedication to Evan. So it looks like he's having a really good session right now. Dan's checking the tires. Look at that little thing. So it's been a couple hours now. We're in the pro pit area. We just finished getting set up. Look at this setup, so legit. But yeah, so the pro pit side is obviously professional racing side. Really sick view. I'm excited. So other track buddy just showed up with his Super Trofeo. You guys have seen this one before. This is his first time at Road Atlanta. Very long day ahead of us. We're about to go get some food and relax finally, but that was a really fun first day. I'm really excited for tomorrow, especially Sunday, and just having a really good time. Such a good group so far. I'm really 7 o'clock. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. So pretty much just set up easy VIR Club day. Tomorrow starts the real fun of the official first day of the Chin Track Day. I'm really excited. I'm gonna try and get into a car, but we'll see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.